going on, guys? This is Carl, the RacerRed channel. I'm heading to the Butte in Emmett, Idaho. I'm riding my 2006 DRZ400S. Got done here at the Butte, coming back down. On this bike, I'm just running the tires that came on it, which are the Shinko Golden Boys. I looked those up, and they really aren't very expensive, so I like that. They seem to hook up okay and last pretty well, so I might just order another set of these. With the current gearing, I dropped the 44 rear down to a 41, and now cruising at 75 is pretty easy. I know that with a lot of the situations, everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of people are super busy, and I'm no exception. I've been really pretty busy. I feel like I'm just juggling chainsaws, but one is already sticking out of my leg, still running, and I'm limping around trying to catch the other ones. I really haven't had time to deal with it all until now, and so now I'm dealing with it all, and it's crazy. So I'm trying to take advantage of riding as much as possible. I just come out and hop on the bike. This is in the evening time. It's definitely a good therapy. You come out here and helps clear your mind. The therapeutic value of riding a motorcycle is unbelievably beneficial. I try not to make this channel negative, even though sometimes, you know, what I am experiencing in life at the moment are a lot of negatives, but there's a positive in everything if you look hard enough. But I think that what you intake is important as far as what you're watching and what you're eating, what you're doing every day. And this is part of what I'm having people intake. So I see it as pretty important to put out videos that I'm comfortable with people taking in, if that makes any sense. It's like the difference between eating a Snickers and a apple. A lot of people say, I'm your host, whoever, you know, on YouTube, but really, you guys are the host. Think about that. When you're watching a video, or you're watching the news, or you're watching TV, whatever it is, you're taking that in without control of whatever you're watching. And I mean, you can always change it, but I'm saying you can't really control that particular video. So that takes kind of a level of trust, really, in the person that you're watching the video of. Mike Tyson said recently that, you know, being in shape is fitting in your clothes, but being conditioned is on a whole another planet. And I totally agree with that. Right now I'm in shape, but I am not conditioned at all. And there are some races coming up